Filipino word that comes to mind? Susi. That's a key, susi. Again. Carton. That's a box. There's no Filipino word. Juan. That's a name. Virus. Virus is a virus. Password. Can say the English word of F. Apple. That's an English word. Juan. That's a name. Yes, that's name. Cyrus, that's a name. Gago. I'm not saying what's meaning of gago.